Hey everyone, this is Byron from Vance Hines, and thanks for joining me on another Workshop Wednesday. Now this is going to be the last video in this series on this particular Limited, but don't worry, we're going to continue to make these videos on different bikes and different parts. But today we're going to clean this up, we're going to take it into the dyno, we're going to do final power numbers, and then we're going to pull it out in the parking lot and then do the final sound comparison for the full Stage 2 kit versus a stock bike. All right, so we got it cleaned up, we're loaded here in the dyno, and it's time for those power runs. Let's get going.
Stop that. Stop that. Stop that.
All right guys, so we just did the power runs, and it looks like horsepower and torque are about 20% above a stock bike.
I hear him chat with the boys, man so tough, but mans keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize. White girls let it tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan.
So that's it for the Stage 2 build on this 2014 project bike, and that finishes up this bike's Make It Yours series. If you want to see any future builds, go ahead and put them in the comment section, and we'll look at doing another series on a different bike. But for right now, we've installed the Vance Hines 575 grind performance camshafts, the adjustable push rods, the hydraulic lifters, this VO2X air cleaner, a set of power tools, Torker 450s, the Fuel Pack FP3, dyno tuned it with the Fuel Pack Pro. Let's go ahead and listen to this thing fire up. Well, that certainly sounds better than stock.